How's it going, everyone? It is Andre Williams, and over here we talk stocks and we focus on one thing. Always protect your profits. I also got to put in the disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor and this isn't financial advice. So just know when you do invest, you're doing it at your own risk. So today we're going to be talking about AMC, which had a very strong day. You know what? Not even a resilient day inside the market today. But I won't waste any more time. Let's jump into the agenda. If you're new to this channel, I just want to let you know we have timestamps down below inside of the description. But if you are a shareholder or you're thinking about actually getting into a position, I suggest you watch this full entire video. So the first thing we're going to be going over is a technical analysis, taking a look at the overall price action. I'm getting these questions, I'm getting these concerns. Dre, have you seen AMC pull back? Oh my gosh, is it going to tank? Oh my gosh, what is happening? Why isn't it not going up? Well, you know what? We're going to talk about this inside of the technicals, take a look at those areas of support so when it does pull back, you can feel more confident with your position. And then we're going to be taking a look at the short interest information. What we want to know, are the short sellers still attacking AMC? What we're going to be finding out. Why is this important? The more they attack it, the more sweeter that short squeeze is going to be when it does happen. So this is why I'm going to be sharing it. And then when all of that is done, I'll be giving you guys my final thoughts and as well as some more details. So we're going to be doing a technical analysis for AMC. Let's see how it performed on the day. So it ended up closing at $58.27, being up 4.63% on the day. On the low, it tested $51.05, and then on the high, testing $58.74. So many of you were sending me messages like, oh my gosh, are you seeing what's going on with AMC? It's at $51. I'm like, that is no concern whatsoever. As you can see from our charts, this is an area of support for AMC. So if you were able to actually get in on this dip and be a part of this run up here, you definitely did set up yourself fairly well. Now, as we take a look and we know $51, yes, we do have a lot of strength at that area. We also have a lot of strength right here around this $48 level. We also do have a lot of strength right here around this $43 level. And of course, we have a lot of strength right at the $40 level. So even if you're seeing it pull back throughout the day within these particular areas, AMC will recover. As retail investors, we own the float. As long as we buy and hold, we're going to continue to see some strength. Now, areas of resistance that we know and we've covered on this channel, right here around this $64 level, and of course right here around 65. If we could pass this particular area, then the next level to look forward to would be 68. We'll have some resistance here. And if we're able to pass this and then get to this 72, 62 level that we ended up visiting not too long ago, woo! AMC will definitely be going to the moon. I'll be looking forward to seeing $100 come very quickly. I know it'd probably halt the thing anyways, but we know what the potential is and what this chart actually looks like. So for the most part, AMC is definitely looking healthy here. Now, what I want to look forward to as far as after hours concerned, we already know there could be a lot of manipulation that goes down. So as long as it closes above $58, hey, that'll be good. But even if it closes above $57, that'll be great as well. So I'll be looking forward to seeing a gap up going into tomorrow so we can get back into the $60 level, which we have been comfortable with in the past. So we're going to take a look at the short interest information for AMC. So the short volume ratio is at 21%, and this is taking the close as of June the 21st, end of day. When we take a look at how many shares were traded, so out of 185.7 million, 39 million of those shares were actually sold short. As we scroll down on the page, short shares availability is at 150,000, updated 27 minutes ago, and the short borrow free rate is at 1.53%. If we take a look at the short volume ratio, it is staying fairly consistent, being at 21. So of course, AMC does have a ton of short squeeze potential here. We also do know there's a lot of naked shorting that is going on as well. But the matter what really needs to be focused on is short sellers are continuing to invest in these plays, right? That's what we want to know. And what does this mean and what does it look like? It means that when that squeeze does happen, it's definitely going to be a big big one because the short sellers are continuing with their tactics and they're just going to get burned in the end. So for my final thoughts for AMC, it was definitely great seeing the price action that we saw today, and anyone who just got in this position, I hope you're able to see how resilient AMC is. And part of the reasons why it's this resilient, because people are buying and holding. Many people are a part of the movement and know what we're fighting for here. So when I was getting those messages and people being concerned saying, oh my gosh, AMC's about to crash, it's going to go back to 40, did you see it go to 51? I don't care. And the reason why I don't care, because we know those areas of support when we do the technical analysis. As long as those areas continue to be respected, AMC is going to continue to show strength. Another thing that we do know as far as shorts, yes, they are continuing to short AMC, but you know what? That makes it even sweeter. You're probably saying, why does that make it even sweeter? The more shorts that get into this play, they're going to have to cover. We have new rules with the SEC that's going to be taking effect on Wednesday. So like I said previously, we are in a very good position. What I look forward to seeing from AMC, if it ends up closing at $58 or above, hey, I'm looking forward to seeing that gap up, and I want to see us make that move into the $60 range come tomorrow. But if it doesn't happen, I really don't care, because we've been seeing a lot of successful so far. If you just got into this play and you were able to invest with money that you are not afraid to lose, I am telling you right now, have confidence in your investment. Know what you're getting yourself into. This is very key. So make sure you educate yourself, you do your homework, you do your due diligence, but the key is to buy and hold so we can force these shorts out. And just know there's a lot of naked shorting, there's a lot of counterfeit shares, and they're going to be pulling out all of the stops. You're going to see a lot of FUD that's going to be coming out as well, trying to get you to sell out of AMC. Do not do it. You want to make sure that you hold so you can really reap the benefits and get all of those profits later on. They did put up some news release update on Webull talking about some hedge fund that pretty much just went belly up due to the fact of shorting GameStop. Hey, that was great to hear, but we know with AMC, it could have an even bigger impact and even hurt even more hedge funds, because we already know they have already lost billions of dollars already. So if you're a part of this movement, my hat's off to you. Congratulations if you are thinking about it. Hey, do some more homework, do some more due diligence, and make sure you invest with money that you're not afraid to lose. I'm not saying you're going to be losing all of your money, but I want to make sure you're well educated and you know what you're getting yourself into. So that pretty much ends the video. I'll be talking to you guys soon.